if you want somebody to listen, tell them. If you want them to understand, show them. Remember that. When you're learning material, if you memorize material, then it has a short lifespan in your brain. If you understand what the material is, it stays in for a long time. As a matter of fact, in mnemonic tools, when I teach people, high school kids, you want to do great in your LSATs or your SATs or any kind of test of any kind, what you do is, the way your brain works, is if you associate something with something else, something familiar with something else, it goes from short term to long term. So if you take 10 items in your room, let's say your bed is number 1 and your light stand is number 2, and then when you memorize things, like you want to memorize names, you assign that person, the first person who says their name, you think bed for their name. The second person, you think light. The third one, say bathroom. And once you learn that, what will happen is your brain stores it with an image. So now when you walk back up with them, you think about that image and it brings the name back. And if you don't believe it's true, try it. And it's unbelievable how well it works. Unbelievable. Whatever you associate with. But whatever you're comfortable, something you know, that you're comfortable with, that it's like your 10 favorite things or your 5, and you just associate each time when somebody says something to that. But what it's doing is it's using longer-term brain. What are we doing? We're trying to understand rather than trying to memorize. We're trying to learn something so we're so comfortable that we can stand up here and talk about it. So you understand that part of this process of, okay, now we're entering mock trial, is to get you into a position where you understand what you need to do and that you understand what could the other person do, because I got to eliminate the nervousness.